Yeah, by myself.
It looks good, man. I know you still got work to do, like you said, but
yeah, it's got some finishing work needs done,
sir.
but yeah, I did it all by myself. Yeah. Nothing blows like a door.
That's all I have to say about that.
Make it.
So did you build this?
Yeah, I built it all. Yeah, I built it all myself.
What all's in here for the video?
I've got a Singer 390 alternator under there. Just one single D7500 in the back. Sundown NS1. Bought it from Amp Lab. It was actually the Clipo version. And then two Fi SP4 18s. Just the dual ones. These are temporary.
Did you build this?
Yeah, I built all this. Yeah, by myself.
It looks good, man. I know you still got work to do, like you said, but
yeah, it's got some finishing work needs done,
sir.
but yeah, I did it all by myself. Yeah. Dropping down to about like 12.5, you know.
Yep. They're having a funeral right now too, so you have to be kind of quiet.
Oh wow.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't even know.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah, that's...
Nah, you're good, dude. Quick demo. They got to see some flex for a video. Yeah, they have at the Sundown show they have a funeral right next door, so like once or twice some shows they'll have like a quiet time. Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna check out your amp and your alternator as well.
Cool,
real quick.
cool,
Yeah, man.
yeah, sure.
Originally, I'm from Michigan, so like, you need that. I can handle 32
Yeah. What size alternator?
That's a
390. Oh wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's pretty big one.
You just need a little more battery reserve, you think?
Yeah, I just need, I was looking at lithium, honestly. I want to go just lithium. I ended up getting the D7500 before I got the alternator, and now I kind of want to just go lithium, you know?
Yeah.
Size. Yeah.
What is this wired to?
What's this?
The
That's
amp.
all, that's all power and grounds.
I know, but what is it wired to, wire-wise? 1 ohm? half
Oh,
ohm?
no, yeah, it's at 1, yeah.
1? Okay.
Yeah, it's probably rising up pretty high, too. So
Okay.
I also want to probably move to 2 separate
Yeah.
as well. But for now,
Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate you watching. What was your name?
Jamie.
Jamie. Jacob.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
nice to meet you, man.
You too. Yeah, we do videos every day, so.
Yeah, I watch your videos all the time.
Oh,
You,
okay.
EXO, and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
you
man.
guys,
Appreciate it.
It's kind of that's what inspired this build, really,
It is?
over the
Yeah.
years. I mean,
Okay.
I started doing this stuff probably when I was like 15, you know.
Yes, sir.
Got like a big
Okay.
truck with a winch on the front.
Awesome.
I'm gonna go make some money after work.
Yeah, get this finishing work done, man. It'll look all right, I think.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I like it. What vehicle is this?
It's a 06 Grand Prix.
06 Grand Prix. All right. Yeah.
This paint.
Is there any way you could play one more note with doors and windows up?
Actually, this window isn't working right now.
That's fine. Does this go up at all, or is it stuck?
What's that?
The seat?
Oh, yeah. You gotta like get it in the right spot. You gotta kind of move it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. All right.
Kind of squeeze it all in here, you know?
Yeah, I hear you. Work in progress. Yeah, what it is there's a funeral next door, so you have to have at least the windows up if you're playing.
Gotcha.
Some of the guys that have tweeters outside, it's screaming and they're doing it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Solid, dude.
Yeah, dude.
What kind of wood is this?
That's MDF. That's just 3/4 inch MDF.
Wow.
And a whole bunch of TL and.
I see you built into the back.
Yeah. Actually, this box was originally a lot smaller, and
Okay.
it didn't sound all that great. So I tried to kind of fix it halfway through, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUSTED hotline, making better beats for winter season. I woke up pretty crazy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly like a man. There's tattoos on my neck. I just can't stop crying. I told him I'm his biggest fan. Yeah, got all these songs in my DM. Yeah, I do. Holy shit, I got a kid. My nigga, we are my niggas. You pussy ass niggas. Can't fuck y'all niggas. Cause I'm that nigga, 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 nigga. I'm that nigga.
Appreciate it, man. That sounds pretty good for what it is.
Yeah, man.
Woo!
Yeah. Get them amps separated a little bit. And
Oh yeah. Thanks for the demo. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.